Hello, my name is Jose Chavez. I show speaking project part 2. And the speaking project consists in five questions. Uh, First question, what is the name of the natural disaster? Um, uh, the natural disaster I expose cold waves. Mm, Cold waves is mainly when the temperature is sunlight decreases to very low level with respect to the average of the place. Uh, Second question: where and when does this king of natural disaster usually occur? The natural disaster usually occurs in season winter, like a highlight near the polar or place which high latitude. In general, a cold place. What are the causes of this king? The natural disaster. Uh, the cause of the phenomenon is the invasion of very cold air masses that usually come from the poles or they visiting these masses travel thousands of kilometers until they slow down or store stay space. Um, if a city is underneath, its inhabitants will be feeling the cold. Uh, Third question: what happens when this kind of natural disaster occurs? Um, cold, cold was given their low temperatures can cause hypothermia in humans that can even lead to death. And because if the person is not well sheltered or wish at a heat source nearby, the cold environment, temperature below 0 degrees Celsius can lower the body temperature to this degrees or to 35 degrees or less. Therefore, some recommendation that should be taken into account in a heat wave are the following. Uh, if a person live in a area where cold waves are common, he or she should store a food and fuel for periodic of isolation of 1 week. Um, Second recommendation: when a person knows that a cold wave is coming, they should prepare a fear kit and those medications that are used permanently or exported via or some the family members. Um, Another recommendation. In conclusion, it is necessary to bear in mind that when a cold weather occurs, is generalized that the rivers and lakes or as a freezer. Furthermore, the vegetation freezer and many animals begin to enter in winter.